cooking the caramel sauce for the fish in the clay pot. Okay, so the pan now is hot, and here the brown sugar. Yeah.
Okay.
Put the brown sugar in for me.
Brown sugar in.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Okay, hold the chopstick, please. Oh, everything.
Oh, beautiful!
All
Look at this. Brown
yeah.
sugar's going in now.
Yeah.
Absolutely sensational. Right, that's brown sugar.
And here, we have soy oil here already. Okay, no need to stir around a little bit. Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, I lower the heat. No need a strong heat now. Okay.
Beautiful caramelization.
Yeah, you see the color?
Oh.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Okay, now you stir a little bit. Stir a little bit.
I feel like I should be Keith Floyd and a little bit drunk, but sadly I'm not.
When the sugar change the color like this, you put 1 spoon of oils inside and stir a little bit more.
Just a little bit more.
Yeah,
there
with a medium heat, right? Medium and low heat.
Yeah, perfect.
Right?
Yeah.
Be careful when you make when you burn the sugar.
Yeah.
Don't get the sugar black color. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. It tastes very bitter and well,
That's
right? Yeah. Don't burn the sugar.
Don't burn the sugar.
Yeah, there we go. Right. Don't burn sugar.
Yeah.
Remember, folks, don't burn sugar.
Now we put. Yeah, here we have chili, crushed garlic, and crushed shallot, and crushed fresh turmeric.
That's right.
Yeah.
In it goes. Look at that.
I help you.
Oh, bang. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
That's it. I'll keep stirring.
Yeah, stirring until you smell.
Yeah.
It has a nice smell.
Hyuk is my commie chef.
Yeah.
I'm the Michelin star guy, as you can probably tell. Look at that.
Yeah, you see now? You smell now?
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, the
Okay,
smell.
in this bowl we have a mixture. Yeah, we have a mixture of oyster sauce, pepper sauce, and stock powder. Yeah.
Stock. What sort of stock is this?
Yeah, right. And this is
Beef stock or
seasoning powder.
Seasoning powder.
Pork flavor.
Pork flavour.
Okay.
Okay.
I put this in.
There we go.
And now you stir for me.
There we go. Look at this.
There we go.
Oh, the aroma.
Wow.
Oh, my days.
Medium heat or low heat, right?
Yeah, don't want to burn it, right, people? Don't burn it. Don't burn it. There we go. Look at this.
Yeah, you see now. You
starting
see
to
that?
caramelize.
While the caramel is
Yeah,
thicker, and then
It's bubbling as well.
and it has the color of honey.
Honey colour.
Yeah, you see. Look, right?
Yeah.
This is the color of honey.
Okie doke.
Okay. Now you put the fish in for me.
Okay.
Yeah,
with
put
the
all.
chopsticks or
Yeah,
just...
with the chopstick.
watch this for some chopstick game, people, right?
Yeah.
So this is what happens when you spend a month in Japan.
I put in a little bit of water as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, chef.
So be careful, Russ. Even when the caramel is ready, medium heat.
Medium heat. Don't
Or
burn
low
it.
heat, okay? Because it keep burning.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Do we mix it up?
okay, now you higher the heat when you put the fish inside. You higher the heat.
Yeah.
So for the sauce like this, right? It's not so thick, so it's easier for you.
Okay,
Right.
don't look at that.
Right. So because it's too thick, now higher the heat a little bit.
Higher the heat.
And and then it's easier.
Is this what is that going in?
Yeah, this water.
That's just
more
water.
and more water
Okay.
in later. Right. You
Yeah.
see, this now is easier for you to right. It's thicker and then it's difficult, right?
Yeah.
And now it's ready.
It's ready.
Right. It is okay for you. Cook with a low heat, medium heat,
Low heat.
low heat.
And you just leave that?
Yeah, leave it.
Just leave it now, people.
Right.
Just
And
leave it.
more water.
Add a bit more water.
Yeah, add more water.
Don't let it
inside.
burn. Yeah, this is smelling pretty good, right?
Yes.
Smells amazing. Smells
Okay,
amazing.
I put in slices of fresh turmeric leaf inside as well.
Okay, but if you can't get
Okay.
fresh turmeric, you can
Okay.
use turmeric powder, isn't that right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, oh no, look, I've got it all stuck on the chopstick now.
Right?
There we go.
Very thick, right?
Right. Someone is burning something over there, but we don't need to worry about it. There's no burning going on here. This is just pure deliciousness. Absolutely delicious. Right. And
let me.
yeah, please. Please, commie chef, take over, right?
Yeah.
And now we're stirring it right to burn it down a little bit, get it thicker.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
See, I know this. Top chef. Absolute top chef. Sadly, I've got no wine or beer, but.
Okay. Look.
Oh, we should have a look at this. See what's going on.
Yeah. See. Very honey color, right?
Honey color
Yeah.
dripping down.
Honey color. Look.
Yeah.
Right. That's. Yeah. If the sugar is black, okay.
Throw
Throw
it
it away.
Give it to the dog.
Yeah.
It'll be a dog's dinner.
Even.
If you have a dog.
Yeah.
If you're not, probably don't feed it to a cat. Can't say no cat. Right.
Okay.
So what was going on there?
Little bit more. I put water a little bit because I want the sauce get stick.
Okay.
Into the
So
fish.
gradually,
Right.
picking up.
Be careful with the high heat, right?
Yeah. Don't burn yourself, people. It'll be dangerous.
Okay.
And that is almost done, right? Are we
Yeah,
nearly
it's
done?
almost done. It's almost
So you're
done.
turning the heat down now, just a little bit.
Yes.
Turn the heat down a little bit. Stop it from burning. Otherwise,
Be
it'll go with the
very
dog.
careful with the sauce.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right.
And now,
Now,
how are we looking? Smelling like it smells pretty good, right? It smells very good.
this one served with the steamed rice. Perfect.
Served with steamed rice.
Right.
Yes. All good rice available.
Các
Right.
bạn ơi, cho cái thố nè.
Okay. So we're almost done. Do you leave this to then just slowly cook on the heat? So
Yes,
it's almost done,
yes,
right?
right.
And when you say cook in a clay pot, you mean
Right.
just cook like this, yeah? Voila. Thank you very much, people.
Voila.
That is how you make fish
Yes,
with
in the clay pot.
In the clay
but
pot.
later I will give you the clay pot.
Okay.
And if we keep cooking with the low heat in the clay pot.
continue cooking in
Yeah.
the clay. But we
Right.
haven't got time for that because we need to
Yes.
crack on,
Right,
eat some food,
right.
and move on to the next thing.